Cool. To improve our user experience and make our smartphones smarter, we have to install some application in our phone. But it's not easy to find some useful application from Play Store. In this video, I will show you 5 useful applications that will come in handy when you are trying to make your phone a smarter one. I have done a good amount research in getting this list created. So please watch the video till the end and share your valuable feedback via comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to change the color of the like button by clicking it. Share this video with your friends if you feel it's useful and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't miss to click on the bell button to get notified on every new video getting uploaded in our channel. By the way, my name is Karthi. You are watching Tech 47. Without wasting your valuable time, let's get into the video. As usual, all links used in this video will be added in the description below. Many of us will blindly give an application permission to access our entire smartphone. It is very rare that anyone will actually look at what an app wants to do once you have installed it with those permissions. Recently, Apple launched a security option in their phones. If any application is using a camera and mic, then a small dot will show up on the top of the screen. This will help in getting to know someone spying on us. Unfortunately, there is no inbuilt option available in Android. Fortunately, the first app in our list will help us in this situation. Name of the first application is Access Dots. Once you open the application, this will be the home page and it's mentioned Made in India. That's a cool thing. Once you select the settings icon, you can change the color of the dots for the camera access and mic access from here. I am not going to change anything because it's very good in the default setting itself. Now going back to home page, and only one button available to enable the access dot. Once you enable it, it will ask for accessibility permission. Just select access dot from the list and switch it on. That's it. Now let's go back and see it's enabled. I am jumping to a recorder application and check whether it's working or not. Once I click on the record icon, I can see a small orange icon showing on top of the status bar. That means some application is accessing my mic. Once I open the camera app, it will show a green color dot. Very useful for someone who wants to keep their privacy secure. I'll suggest everyone to download this app and use it. Now moving to the second application, if you want to improve the quality of your old image, which is very much blurry and not good for sharing on Instagram or Facebook, and if you want to convert your old black and white photo to color one, then this second app in our list will do great job in these cases. Name of the application is Remini. Once you open the application, you can see 4 options. Out of this, only 2 are free, Enhance and Descratch. I am selecting Enhance. It will ask to select the photo we want to work. I am selecting my old photo and clicking on the red tick icon. It will take some time to process the photo and meanwhile one ad will pop up. Once it's done, we can click on the cross button to close. Boom. The photo is ready and I'll zoom in for you all to see the difference. Now it's showing the original pic, and if I'm sliding this and I'll able to see the corrected image. Wow, it's cool, right? We can easily download this pic by selecting the download button, which is available on the top right corner. Using this app, you can work on only 10 photos per day. Personally, I feel this is enough for a normal user. If you want more photos, then you can go for the pro version. Only one problem I faced in this application is ad, but that is not going to affect the user experience. Now it's time to see what is the third application in our list. If you are attending any online class or meeting, and it's very common to get distracted by the notification from different application. If you want to keep your notifications on pause for some time till the meeting or class ends, then this application named as Pausebox will help you to do that. Now let's jump to my phone to see how this will work. Once you open the application, this will be the home page and we can see the next delivery at 9 a.m. If you want to change the delivery time, click on the three dot icon and select edit deliveries. We can select how many times a day notification to be shown and what time it should show. That's it. Whenever we are getting any notification, it will show up only at the particular time we selected here. As we all very much concerned about privacy, and if you want to lock your application using password, then a lot of applications are there in Play Store. But this application is very unique and I feel it's very secure also. Because if you are locking any application using this app, then others won't be able to understand whether it's locked or not. Confused, right? Now let's see more about this app in demo of the fourth app in our list named as Keynote. Once we open the app, this will look like a note-taking app. We can type anything you want to write here. Now, if you want to convert this to a app locker, click on the security pattern using your volume button, which you will create when you are opening the app for the first time. Now I am going to use my volume pattern, volume up, down, up, up. Boom. Now the app locker is visible. You can enable app lock from here and select app from the list here. As a demo, I am selecting Chrome application and we can see an option to change the lock background. We have actually three options. My favorites are transparent and custom. If you are selecting transparent, you can open the application but won't be able to select the application or anything from here. Only after clicking the volume button pattern, then you can access the app. Now I can access the app. Now I am changing the background application or background image to a custom by selecting a screenshot. Whenever I am opening the application, the screenshot will pop up and won't be able to use the application without volume pattern. If you want a unique and secure app lock, then this will help you. Last app in our list is the UHD wallpaper. As the name suggests, this is a wallpaper application. We can download a lot of wallpaper from this application. And it got a bunch of categories, which is very impressive. If you are a type of person who loves to change wallpaper a lot, then this app will come in handy. Once we open the application, directly we can see the list of wallpapers available for us. If you want to search wallpaper in category wise, we can select that too using the category tab, which is available here. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I am planning to post top 5 application every month as a series. Please comment down which application is very useful for you and favorite one. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button to get notified on every new video getting uploaded to the channel. We'll meet you all soon in next video. Till the time, bye from Karthi. Be safe and enjoy your day.